This is the chapter number 2, mathematical function. Before that I covered series and progression, the theory part as well as problems. So in every time in GRE, one or two problems comes from mathematical function. So here I am discussing some theory part as well as problems, which is very important for GRE. Mathematical function have two important part. One is domain and one other is range. Now what is domain? Domain of a function is the set of all possible inputs for the function. What does it mean? Suppose fx is equal to 1 by x. Now we take a set 1, 2, 3 up to n. Now put the value x is equal to 1 or 2 or 3. We'll get every time if x is equal to a finite value. That means this 1, 2, 3 up to n is in domain set. Here 0 is not belong in the domain set, because if we put 0 then the function becomes infinity. So 0 is not belong to its domain. Now what is range? Range is the set of possible output value. Let's take an example, fx is equal to 2 plus x, and also take an example of a domain set like 1, 2, 3 up to n. Now putting one by one value of this domain set into the fx, we will get, suppose x is equal to 1, we will get fx is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 2, we will get fx is equal to 4. So for a particular value in domain set, we will get a particular value in the range set. So as a conclusion, we can say for a particular value input in domain has particular output in range. Here I take some problems. First try by yourself and then check the answer. First problem, fx is equal to 3x minus 4. Then calculate f into f of 2. So here fx is equal to 3x minus 3. So here I first calculate f of 2. F of 2 means just x is equal to 2. We will get 3 into 2 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now f of f2 means 3 into 3 minus 3 is equal to 6. It quite easy problem. Second problem, gx is equal to root over of x plus 2. Then if gh is equal to 6, then calculate the value of gh by 4. So here it is given that gx is equal to root over x plus 2. So here gh is equal to, we can write just replacing x by h, root over h plus 2, and it is given that gh is equal to 6. Therefore by equating both sides, we will get root over h plus 2 is equal to 6. From here root over h is equal to 4. Now we have to calculate gh by 4. So just put the value x is equal to h by 4 and we will get our answer. Now come to the second problem. It is very much easy, just try by yourself. These types of problem may come in GRE examination. So here fx is equal to 2x minus 3 and gx is equal to x plus 3 by 2. So for what value of y it is satisfying that fy is equal to g into y minus 3. This is our question, so we have to solve. First, fx is equal to 2x minus 3, it is given. So we can write from this fy is equal to 2y minus 3 easily. Similarly, gx is equal to x plus 3 by 2, it is given. So we can write g of y minus 3 is equal to y minus 3 plus 3 by 2. Just replace x by y minus 3. So it is given that fy is equal to g into y minus 3. So previously we calculated fy as well as g into y minus 3. Just put their value and from this we can easily get y is equal to 3 by 2. So this is our answer. This is our next problem. Fx is equal to a root over x plus b. If f4 minus f1 is equal to 2 and f4 plus f1 is equal to 10, then calculate f of 3. So here fx is equal to a root over x plus b, it is given. So from that we can calculate f4. Just putting x is equal to 4, we will get f4 is equal to a into root 4 plus b, that means 2a plus b. Similarly we can calculate f1, that will comes a plus b, f1 is equal to a plus b. Now it is given f4 minus f1 is equal to 2. So we can put the value f4 is equal to 2a plus b and f1 is equal to a plus b, which is calculated previously, and that is equal to 2. according to the question. So from here we can get a is equal to 2 after calculation. Again it is given that f4 plus f1 is equal to 10, which is given in question. So here we can put again the value of f4 and as well as the value of f1, that is equal to 10. So from that we will get 3 is plus 2b is equal to 10, and putting the value a is equal to 2 we will get b is equal to 2. So f3 is equal to a root 3 plus b, and then put the value of ab, we will get 2 root 3 plus 2. That is our answer. Now come to the next problem. The question is, in this function gx is equal to 3x minus 4 whole to the power half plus 1, for what value of x it is real? It is given option A x greater than equal to 0, option B x greater than equal to 1, option C x greater than equal to 4 by 3. Now the function is given fx is equal to 3x minus 4 whole to the power half plus 1. Now put x is equal to 0 in the position of x. We will get fx is equal to root of power of minus 4 plus 1, and it is a complex number because root of power of minus 4, that means I terms comes, so it is a complex number. Then x is equal to 1, we will get fx is equal to root over of minus 1 plus 1, it is also a complex number. And then put x is equal to 4 by 3, we will get fx is equal to root over 0 plus 1, and finally we will get the answer fx is equal to 1, and that is a real number. So here the correct option is C.